How to smooth zoom in CapCut. Want cinematic zooms instead of jumpy edits? Let's smooth zoom in CapCut. So first, import your clip. Start a new project and then add your video into your timeline. So to be able to import a clip, simply click on this import button at the top left, select the clip from your local drive, and then drag this clip to your timeline. Now from here, go ahead and click on your clip, and then at the top right, go ahead and look for the videos tab, and then under that, click on basic. So under basic, you should find the transform section. So in here at the right side of this, you'd find this diamond icon that stands for keyframe. So click on this at the very start of your video, play your video, and stop it on the area where you want to zoom in. So use the scale to zoom in, and another keyframe will then be added into the section. Now once you play this video, you should find a smooth zoom in on this video, and that is how to smooth zoom in on CapCut.